War is never good news, but what if I told you that the ongoing war between Iran and Israel could bring a rare opportunity for Nigerians to make money, grow their investment, and even stabilize the falling naira? You may have seen headlines, missiles flying, countries responding, oil prices rising, but what does all this mean for you? A student, a small business owner, a data reseller, a trader, or someone just trying to survive in Nigeria? In this video, I'll break it all down in simple, relatable terms. How Nigeria benefits as an oil-producing country, what this means for the price of fuel and the dollar, stocks you can buy now that may skyrocket, and small but powerful business moves you should consider immediately. If you've ever felt like the world crisis never benefits us in Africa, these might just be one of those rare exceptions. Let's start with the basic. Why is Iran fighting Israel? The tension between these two countries has been brewing for decades, but in 2024, it escalated when Israel carried out airstrikes targeting Iran-backed groups, and Iran responded. Now that they are in direct conflict, the world is worried. Why? Because this region, the Middle East, supplies a huge chunk of the world's oil. So when there's war in that zone, the world panics. Oil prices rise, shipping is disrupted, and investors begin to shift money around. That's exactly what is happening now. But here's where it gets interesting for us here in Nigeria. Nigeria is one of the top oil producing nations in Africa. We sell crude oil to other countries. That is one of our biggest sources of income. Now here's the sweet spot. When oil prices rises globally, Nigeria earns more per barrel. Imagine this, you're selling one barrel at $70, and today, due to the war tension, we are now selling at $100. That's a 30 naira difference difference per barrel, and we sell millions of barrels. This means more dollar inflow into Nigeria, more foreign reserves, and if properly managed, it could reduce pressure on the naira. It is like a windfall, and it is happening now. But here's the catch: Nigeria has to take advantage of this window, and so do you. This is it's not just about oil companies or government contracts. It is about you. Yes, you, the person watching this. Let's think about how this affects you directly. Now, dollar exchange may improve. If more dollar come into the country through oil, the black market rate might reduce even slightly, making it easier for importers, freelancers paid in dollars, tech founders, crypto traders, and even students paying foreign school fees. More government spending. Extra revenue may allow the government to complete infrastructure projects, which means more job, more contracts, more spending in the economy. It's going to bring about a better business environment. With more liquidity, there may be reduced pressure on fuel importation, data services, and POS operation. Now, this is a chance for you to build something. If you've been waiting for the right time to start that mini importation hustle or even buy stocks, now might be the window you have been praying for. Here's where it gets juicy. If oil prices are rising, oil companies will report bigger profits, and when that happens, the stock prices usually go up. So here are 3 oil-related Nigerian stocks you should monitor. Number 1, Owando PLC. This company is into upstream oil and gas, meaning they make a lot of money when crude prices go up. Seplat Energy, one of the Nigeria's leading independent energy producers. Their profits are tied directly to the oil market performance. Lastly, we have Total Energies Nigeria. This is a global oil brand with strong Nigerian presence. They play in both upstream and downstream. If you're not invested in the Nigerian stock market, this is a perfect time to start. You can use apps like Trove, Chaka, RiseVest, Bamboo. Now start with as little as 1,000 naira or 5,000 naira. You don't need millions to start building wealth. In one of my videos, I shared with you how you can go into investing with just 5,000 naira. You can do well to check out that video in my video section. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share to your family and friends. Another huge opportunity is in export. As the Middle East becomes unstable, many countries will look to Africa for alternative sources of agri-product, leather, or even tech talent. This is your time to package your palm oil for export, sell your dried ginger, your cashew, your cocoa. You can explore platforms like Export Promotion Council, Trade Nigeria, or B2B Marketplace. Do not just watch the news. Let the news move you into action. Let's be real. Wars are painful, people are dying, but as Nigerians, we must learn to read between the lines. The Iran-Israel war is shaking the global economy, but it is also giving Nigeria a rare window to grow its revenue, stabilize the naira slightly, and open businesses and investment doors. But you have to act. Don't just watch oil prices rise, buy oil stocks. Don't just hear the naira is recovering, export something and earn in dollars. Don't just wish you had more money, use this chance to start a side hustle. So here's your action step. Hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, subscribe for more simplified business and money content, and drop a comment. What are you doing differently after watching this?